meghalayapost.news.
University of Science and Technology Meghalaya Ustm lingba katanat Training and Placement Division jangate school ba mentakasingi haka program Karyam 1.0 National Level HR Conclave kalakhot yakinangila mapawnam ki Riew Pawkhmat Haka tanat HR bagi samla puli yakabala pelong hak Central Auditorium jangate school ba ya kan kejinglang ke basi singi la pelong banyak keren halor kepang kejingya caprang haka lawe kejingkiu haka kam teknologi bat kejing pene pensa ialah ke culture hakbala yo banyak merjingmut bha baru banyak samlang ya kejingtip jingnang apa yang kita Riew Pawkhmat ki belawan banyak cimenta hak ke program ya ketika program lawan bensim ya ke benta kumkongsan du bidhan barwa co-founder and COO jangka taza INC hakba laidon langru da kiwe ki Riew Pawkhmat ki bakentup yo Kaushik Deka executive editor India Today magazine and editor India Today Northeast Professor GD Sharma vice chancellor USTM Dr RK Sharma advisor USTM lembat kiwe nolo kejingkren nakaliang ki kongsan ki balakren hak te kejinglang kani ke program kelas samru ya kejinglang jingtip halor kejinglong jingman ba kejingkala hak boyde bat ka technical but non technical hak balapan iru ya kejinglong kongsan ban pen kre lane ban pen mi ya kinangilam ki bastard lingba kani kejinget relang kani ke program kala kring ya palat chis pangot ki Riew Pawkhmat hak kaliang ke HR.
Our distinguished chief guest, Mr. Bidhan Borua, who is the co-founder. This conclave brings together some of the brightest minds and most innovative leaders in the human resource to address the challenges and opportunities facing our industry today.
How you can make this knowledge as per the need of business. As we see now, Industry 4 is developing very fast. From mechanical energy taking part into electrical, electronic and now digital center of training and placement as per the vision of our Honorable Chancellor, that any new ideas which can be brought into our education system
When we talk about sustainability, there are three pillars. One is economic, environmental, and social aspect. And informally, we can say profit, planet, and people. Economic is profit, environmental is planet, and social aspect is people. Now, that particular bot reads everything from HR policies and all those things. Then he can talk to the bot like, how can I take a CL?
About artificial intelligence, I don't know much. I use some of it whenever possible. I don't think journalism can be done with artificial intelligence. And I have a very basic question. Means AI will keep doing our work, and when the last person is made irrelevant, what will happen then? So everybody's job taken away by AI. And when the last person job is over, who would develop AI after that? So I believe I'll get that answer from the technical people here. But I'll leave you with a story. How we react to things. It's I don't know whether it was about Emperor Akbar or someone else, but I will use it for Akbar. So he had a big court, and he had a person called Birbal who was a court jester or a very smart, intelligent person. So there was a discussion one day going on. The setting looks like, have you been to Lal Killa or Fatehpur Sikri? That Diwane Khas Diwane Aam, it's like the emperor holding court. It's very uncomfortable for me.
Because all these attritions or the turnover which are happening in the companies, because HR people are not.
Actually, you have put it very rightly, the enabler instead of replacer, and it will add to the efficiency. I'll come to Anik.
When you think about intelligence, it has two components. One is the HI component, which is human intelligence, and the other part is
then the AI will react to certain emotions. At the moment, probably it is restricted to emoticons.
Platforms like ChatGPT or image production by Adobe or and few.
Summed up to create a product which is a machine learned AI or a particular program. People who are stalwarts in that particular field, either online or offline, to
So without doing that, I think now none of the AI products are not coming in the market. Security is like the main concern, we understand.
meghalayapost.news